Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into Bitcoin ticker app review in order to check if the app is worth downloading. So here's a breakdown. The Bitcoin ticker app is a super simple tool that gives you real-time Bitcoin price update, customizable alert, and basic portfolio tracking, so you always know where the market stands without opening an exchange. It's lightweight, fast, and perfect if you want quick price information and price alert push notification without the noise of a full trading platform. However, it's pretty basic. You're not getting deep chart, newsfeed, order book, or multi-coin portfolio tools that bigger app offers. Some users also report occasional data lags or occasional glitches with alert. So in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth downloading if your main goal is simple, fast price tracking and alert. If you want all-in-one market analysis or trading features, you may prefer a more comprehensive crypto app compared to Bitcoin ticker. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.